Welcome everyone! Today I'm going to show you just how simple it is to set up the LogiFire 118 panel. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Ensure all ribbon cables are seated correctly and brackets are securely in place. This ensures a solid foundation for your setup. Next, we'll enter the panel menu, navigate to System, then Programming, followed by Devices, and finally, Periphery. Here's where we define our peripherals. Periphery number 1 is the power supply, number 2 is the relay output board, and number 3 is loop card 1. Check that periphery number 1 is saved in the normal state. If not, simply select the Save option. Now let's move on to periphery number 2. Select the plus sign to access it and repeat the same process. Once periphery 2 is set, move on to periphery 3. Again, ensure it's saved correctly. And there you have it. Setting up the LogiFire 118 panel is as easy as that. If your system has more than one loop, then number 4 will be loop card 2. Thanks for watching and happy programming.